Welcome to JZ Graphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create outline stroke effect in Adobe Photoshop. So, let's get it started. First, I have this image as a background. Open the Layer panel, and select the image. Go to the Object Selection tool. Select Lasso Mode. And click on Object for selection. Do the manual selection if it's needed. Then press Ctrl+J for duplicate layer. Go to the Type tool, and type your text. Select Text, and choose Dark Wide Font. And apply the color to it. Press Ctrl+T, and adjust its size and its placement. Press Ctrl+J for duplicate layer. And bring the text layer below the subject layer. Select Top Layer, and open Blending Options. Set the fill opacity to 0. Add the stroke to it with these settings. And hit OK. Hold Shift key, and select both layers, and link them. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.